Located in Hellam Township, York County, Pennsylvania, is a 300-year-old farmstead that is now home to the Horn Farm Center for Agricultural Education. We're committed to restoring ecological health to both the fields and semi-wild spaces on the farm, while providing nutritious food to our community. Our programs encourage others to learn to do the same. One of the most recognizable features on the land is the 1860s farmhouse, which is now a place for offices and various meeting and planning sessions. Other outbuildings on the farm include a summer kitchen with earthen oven and a small barn. One can also find the original foundation for a large bank barn that burned down in 2007. Across the road from the farmhouse sit two greenhouses where seedlings for plants and trees are started, and on occasion, these have even been used as classrooms. Quaint and picturesque, the buildings that help us do our work are secondary to the abundance and opportunity that come from our land. While things are getting better here, regenerating the land is an ongoing process where many hands work tirelessly. Decades of taking more than we've given have left ours and many agricultural soils depleted, and have left the waters here polluted with eroded soil and chemical contaminants. As they improve, our fields provide food, plants, tree seedlings, and flowers for our work, and for the work of farm partners. Much of the food we grow here is distributed to our local community by our CSA program, in which people can sign up to get a box of fresh vegetables and other farm products for most of the year. But the products of the Horn Farm Center aren't limited to what we harvest from the ground. A great deal of learning and innovation takes place here, as we practice and develop regenerative techniques and philosophies while also training future farmers in our Regenerative Farmer Internship program. Since 2018, we've been collecting data for the Bionutrient Food Association's Real Food campaign. We're consistently observing the direct connection between soil health and the nutritional density of our crops. Because of our growing methods, each year the soil in our fields becomes healthier, which means the plants we grow are healthier and less susceptible to pests and disease. These sorts of plants don't rely on chemical fertilizers and poisons to flourish. Increasing biodiversity has been a focus of the Horn Farm Center for many years. In 2016, we took a species census and found only 16 species of trees and shrubs on our farm. Since then, our stewards have reintroduced over 100 missing native plant species. This work provides healthier farmscapes, woods, and water. Our work provides food and habitat for wildlife, while also providing us with a more diverse array of marketable crops. Pawpaw, persimmon, elderberry, hazelnut, walnut, hickory, pecan, and black walnut are just a few of these species. Soil erosion from the banks in our stream corridors is a significant problem. We've developed several unique, low-tech, low-cost ways of addressing this. We've been working on examples of beaver dam analogs and Zuni bowls, as well as some place-specific structures. Our Woodland Steward program teaches participants how to work with a forest instead of apart from it. When you visit, you'll see footbridges and water features that we've introduced to make it a system in harmony with the people who work in the woods, while opening up opportunities for growth and production in the woods. We are developing and practicing methods for removing invasives and reintroducing native plants, as well as creating habitat for lots of diverse creatures. Also happening on the farm are several rapid reforestation experiments. With deep soil preparation and close plant spacings, we've seen significant increases in growth in these plots as compared to the plots where we have used standard tree planting methods. Participants in our community garden program have access to not only organically farmed land, but also resources such as well water, tools, and even the knowledge of fellow gardeners and farm staff. When people come to the Horn Farm Center for Agricultural Education, they leave with nutritious food, useful knowledge, and most importantly, hope for the future of agriculture in our community and around the world.